Hi ho! Well, here we go. Welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show, the first edition in 2023. So, first of all, Happy New Year. Okay, we are again today on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. Blue sky, at least to the right. A little bit mixed sky when we go straight on, and a little bit more clouds when we go to the left. So let's stay rather to the right, where we can see a beautiful community garden. We are on garden 11, actually, on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm showing you the community garden, the community pool. It's a little bit chilly maybe, so it's not the ideal day to go for a swim. But at least it's sunshine, at least when we look to the right. Temperature-wise, we are talking today about 13 degrees. The max was 14 today. Minimum temperatures at the moment are between 1 degrees and 6 degrees, depends where you are. So closer to the sea, it's a little bit warmer. Closer to, well, rather inland, it's getting a little bit cooler even. But otherwise, well, as you can see, we enjoy Condado De Alhama even in January with 13 degrees. So happy days here in Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. As you know, I'm Rupert. I'm the host of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. And today I'm in Garden 11 on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm showing you today a great 2-bed, 1-bathroom corner apartment. And I'm sure you have heard already the good news that our golf course is back on track. The prior owner found a very good buyer, we think, because it's also the developer of the new build on site. Soon you will see also on our webpage, and we will communicate the new developments and the details of that. So we think that this is a very good solution, especially as they have mentioned already that they will look into building a new clubhouse. They even are talking about the hotel. So happy days for Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. I think it's the best news since some years we had so far. So this is really top news for Condado De Alhama Golf Courses back on track. Okay, having said that, which is to me the most important message, and it was nearly Christmas, New Year, Easter all together on the 4th of January when we finally have been able to publish that. So happy days, we do have a new owner for the golf course. But now let's look into this apartment, which is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Garden 11, where, well, enough said, I think we just should go in there. So, just entering the property through the main door, as we normally do. We hardly walk through the window. And I'm showing you now, first of all, Anna, our listing agent, again accompanying me in my shows this year again. Happy days. Thank you very much for supporting me. But she's, as always, not included in the property. What's included is all what we see. So we, apart from the furnishing, television, white goods, fridge, freezer, air conditioning. Here we go, air conditioning. And well, it's a nicely appointed apartment to say, nicely furnished, lots of furniture, items also outside, upstairs. We will see this later. And inside, it's quite well done to say. It's all in very good nick. I don't see a lot of wear and tear here. Well, obviously might need a lick of paint somewhere, but otherwise it's in pretty good nick to say. What we have here is already the water filter, so we don't need to put in a new water filter because it's here already. Excuse me. And we just continue to the master bedroom. Nicely set up, as always, the bedrooms on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort with fitted wardrobes. Again, air conditioning in the master bedroom. So, and as I said, what you see is what you get. So it comes all included at the rock bottom price of only 69,900 euros. This is quite good value for money. We are in the second bedroom now. 2 single bed, as you can see, bedside table, blah, blah. Another air conditioning. So we have seen now 3 air conditionings. We have, again, fitted wardrobes also in here. There we go. And, well, as you can see, we're now coming to the bathroom. As it's a corner unit, we do get an interesting feature, which is this extra window. Because normally the apartments back to back or side to side don't have this window. Here, yes, we do have a window. We also have a mirror. Normally you guys see me in short trouser and, short sleeved. So this time I'm rather in the winter gear, because 14 degrees is for us like minus 15 where I come from. So it's really chilly for us here. But might be for you guys 14 degrees, you might say, well, that's spring temperatures. For us, this is real winter. Yeah, we're looking forward to see the ice bears and all that soon. We're coming around the corner. Okay, no, bullshit. Coming back to the terrace, there is a small terrace, as we said here. This is set up now, kind of a breakfast table situation, just that you get an idea of what we can do here. Sorry. We are pretty close also to the community pool, as we can see. But most important to these apartments, as you know, on the first floor is the roof terrace. So hopefully my internet connection accompanies me now to go up to the roof, because this needs to be seen, as it's really pretty good equipped. Here we go. So we have a fitted barbecue here. We do have as well an awning covering here this island thingy. So there is also a storage here, additional storage for cushions and maybe even golf clubs and all that. So that's quite handy to have. And on the other side, as we are a corner, we're overlooking here. We have a beautiful view up here, pretty private as well. So that's quite a nice setup to say, I have to say. And I mean, this just looks great now. This is, well, that's Condado De Alhama as it should be. So, all attended by our great gardeners here on site. Well, we have 14 gardeners working here. I didn't know that. It's 14 people just in the gardens and another 14 just taking care of security. So it's quite a good amount of stuff here working all year round. So, having seen this roof terrace, I just give another glance of how this looks like. Happy days. On the back, yeah, let's have a look down. Hope this works with the internet connection, because on the Jardines development, on the gardens, we also get a parking lot. So each property here has its parking lot. And as you can see, my luck now says happy days, because the parking lot is just under the tree. So your car will be properly protected against the sun, because it's hidden by the tree here. So you see my car standing there. So yeah, maybe not ideal. I should have seen that before, but it's what it is. So otherwise, just let me walk down again and give you another view of this great 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Asking price is only 69,900 for what it is and for all the equipment and assets they have put in. For example, here we have an additional awning to provide a little bit more shade. No, we don't want to do that. We don't want to see Rupert here. No, go away. Facebook has changed this now. Where I'm not normally holding the phone, there is now something that I can change the camera. Totally useless. I don't need that. Okay, so back on the views. As you know, I'm a fan of the views here, because I think it's part of the feeling on Condado is also that we just we're all looking down to these beautiful community gardens, community pool. It's all properly set up and taken care of all year round, 12 months a year. So yeah, I'm just in love with the resort, I have to confess. There we go again. So this is now again the living room / kitchen of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. You find the reference of this place also in the description, but it is 3806 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. So you just enter this into your browser and you're looking for reference 3806. Nothing more opening qualityhomescostacaleda.com, and you do find all the pictures, photos, a virtual tour, as always with Quality Homes. And well, in case of interest, just give us a buzz, send me an email on rupert@qualityhomescostacaleda.com. We also can do virtual viewing, so in case you want to view it from the comfort of your sofa back home, just give us a ring or send us an email, and we do also a virtual viewing for you on site. Okay. This is again the master bedroom, as we said, as well air conditioned, fully furnished, bedside tables, all included for the price of only 69,900. Obviously, sensible offers will be forwarded to the seller. So, second bedroom, 2 single beds, bedside table, air conditioning, fitted wardrobes. You hardly need anything else. Talking about community fees, this property has a community fee around 87 euros per month.
But we have the AGM coming up, so
we
expect an increase.
Which includes as well all services provided by the community of owners, means gardening, means security, means pool cleaning, means as well cleaning of street and all public areas, but as well includes the use of an individual internet connection with 100 megabit up and download with no limit. We have a glass fiber network running in all the resort, so all properties are well connected, and also this comes included in the community fees. We have to say that there will be again the annual AGM, the annual general meeting of all owners of this garden, where changes might be agreed to the community fees depending on the needs of the community. But this is always to be decided by owners. So this is never done through the administration. This is always agreed on by all owners. So from this point of view, it's a pretty democratic system here. So at the moment, this property pays 87 euros per month. Well, what else can we say, Anna?
There's a water filter. Have you seen it?
Yes, we have seen the water filter already, and I even mentioned the water filter already.
Okay, I must have missed that.
Yes, so what else can we say apart from come over, have a look?
Garden 11 is a great garden. It's very sought after at the moment. I think we've sold 3 in the last month or so on this garden. I don't know what it is, but it does have a really, really good feel to it.
Well, to me, it's a good garden.
It's nice and small.
Yes.
Halfway in between the Condado Club and Alcazar.
Exactly.
You have everything in walking distance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think it's a great garden, and it's, as you say, it's close to the Alcazar, so it's nearly walking distance to the Alcazar, and as well it's walking distance to Condado Club with all its sports installation, restaurant. Well, the gym has gone, no, but I think there might be. The gym is now in Alcazar, exactly.
And
yes.
I heard there's some new equipment too.
Okay, so well then, happy days. Yeah. Okay, so this was the latest gossip of Condado De Alhama Golf Resort regarding the gym. I think it was a great show today. I'm really happy that I'm back on track. I'm looking forward to see you again next week. But don't forget this property, reference 3806 on qualityhomescostacalida.com. There you'll find many more details. Asking price only 69,900. Offers obviously welcome. And well, that's it for the show today. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening, and also those ones who are watching and listening then through YouTube or whatever. Thank you very much to do that. In case you enjoy the show, just like it on Facebook. We are always happy that we also see some motivation from you guys that we're doing the right thing. So happy days. Thank you very much, and Happy New Year again here from all of us at Quality Homes Costa Calida. Cheers. Bye-bye. Take care.